Been using this bad boy for a while. You can see how loved it is, but we still get so much use out of this blender. It is so durable. It's lasted so long and it still works like a charm. So obviously you want to make sure that it is plugged in. There's an on-off switch down here. Once it's on, you'll know because it will light up. You just want to make sure that it lines up and then sits on perfectly. And then you can start adding things to the blender. This is my favorite recipe to put in the blender. It's very simple. Pineapple, either spinach or kale or both. Green apple, and then a little piece of ginger. I love having this for the immunity boost. Okay, so then you just pop on the lid. You want to make sure it's all the way here. You want to make sure like here that it's like all the way down. And then you can actually do the whatever setting you want here. I normally keep it on like a 6 or 7. And then this button here is the start-stop button, which is really cool. You can pulse if you want to over here, but I typically just... My bad. Don't forget to add liquid. That's important. So I added a little bit of water this time around. You don't actually need to turn the knob back and forth like that. I just wanted to show you what it looks like whenever you go to the different levels. But as you can see, it does not take long at all. Ew. So then you can just pop the lid off. And now you have a beautiful smoothie. Super creamy and smooth consistency. Everything broken up perfectly.